Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. In previous video we discussed force and effects of force. In this video we will discuss about types of force. There are two types of force in nature: contact force and non-contact force. Contact force that act on an object by coming in contact with it is called contact force. Muscular force and frictional force are examples of contact force. Muscular force. The force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. For example, pushing, pulling, lifting something, kicking, etc. Force of friction or frictional force. The force acting between two surfaces in contact and trying to oppose the motion of one surface over the other is called force of friction. When two surfaces rub against each other, the force of friction comes into play. It always acts against the direction of motion. Friction not only tends to stop a moving object but also tends to stop a stationary object from moving. For example, a ball rolling over a flat ground stops at a certain distance. There is a friction between the tire of the bicycle and the surface of the road. Non-contact force. Force that act on an object without coming in contact with it is called non-contact force. For example, gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force are examples of non-contact force. Let's start with gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitation in the 17th century. The Earth's gravitational force acts in the direction opposite to that of an object moving upwards. Weight. Weight is a measure of a gravitational force exerted by the earth. It acts towards the center of the earth. Greater force must be applied to lift a greater weight. We can use a spring balance to measure weight. The suspended object is pulled downwards by the force of gravity. At the same time, the force of the tension in the spring constantly pulls the object upwards. The object comes to rest when the tension in the spring and the gravitational force on the object becomes equal. In this position, the scale on the spring balance shows the gravitational force acting on the object, which is the weight of the object. So we can say that the gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. Magnetic force. The force of attraction or repulsion exerted by a magnet is called the magnetic force. In a magnet, like poles, for example, north-north and south-south, repel, and unlike poles, for example, north and south or south and north, attract each other. Electrostatic force. When a plastic comb is rubbed against dry hair repeatedly, it becomes electrically charged. Electrically charged object exert a force called electrostatic force. It is because of this force that the bits of paper are attracted towards the comb. Electrostatic force acts on objects at a distance and is a non-contact force. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.